As this is an international language testing system powered by IDP to access the level of candidate. My name is Jasprit Kaur and I am here to conduct a speaking of name Payal Arora, candidate number 110702. What's your name?
My full name is Payal Arora.
How may I address you?
You can call me my first name, Payal.
Are you studying, Payal?
Yes, I am a student. I completed my graduation last year and now I am learning English language at very popular institute.
Okay. What you was studied?
I complete my graduation in BS chemistry subject because chemistry is very interesting subject to me because to know things what happen there in the environment.
What's your major? What's your major?
Major? My major is to get research in chemistry language because in chemistry how two chemicals react with each other. It is to study. It is very interesting part for me.
Why do you choose this subject?
I choose this subject because in my childhood I love to read science subject, and in science various subjects like chemistry, physics, mathematics, but my interest in chemistry because to react chemicals and our environment things happen. I research in detail.
Okay. Do you like cakes?
Yes, definitely. I love cakes. I like chocolate cakes because it is very delicious.
Okay. Do you like having desserts?
Yes, I like having desserts. When I complete my dinner, I mostly prefer to eat the desserts.
Are cakes popular in your country?
Yes, nowadays in the modern era, cakes are very popular in my country because all loves chocolate to take dinner, so that to take dessert in the cake.
What desserts are popular in your country?
In my country, many desserts are popular, but most of the desserts are cupcakes, choco pies, and sweets dishes which are gulab jamun, etc. are famous.
Okay, let's jump on a cue card. Here your cue card is. You can use paper or pencil to make your own notes. You have only 1 minute to prepare your notes for your cue card. Okay, your time starts now. Okay, so you may start now.
Undoubtedly I have shared all my things with my friends, but here I would like to talk about that thing when I not share with my friend. It is my marks. Last year I was in my 12th standard. In 12th standard examination, when I was in my class test, when I was in my class test, my marks was not good. And also my friends' marks was not good. And the date of the result day, my friend was not on the school. And here on the school, when in the evening, he asked me to the result marks. But I was worried about my friend because it's not achieve a good marks in the subjects. But I said to my friend, he was achieve a good scores in class test. But he was on the leave for few days. But after a few weeks, they come in the school. They see their marks, but the marks was not good. They shocked, and they shocked about marks, and they was not happy to me. She was not talk about to me for many days. And I realized that I am not good thing to do. But I was tell about marks to my friend, because
Okay. In which situation it is okay to tell a lie to your friend?
in many situations to tell a lie is okay, but tell lie okay, because too many things that are not to say the truth about our friends to their because of the feelings.
What should parents do if their children tell a lie?
Parents should do many things to tell a lie for their students, to their children, because to make happy and to achieve a good thing.
Why it is easier for people to tell the truth to strangers than family and friends?
It is easiest to truth to a stranger, because we know about the strangers, the strangers feeling and all about things. But with family we have a fear to tell about the secrets, because of the fear to any truth.
Do you think people need to tell truth all the time?
Yes, definitely people tell the truth every time, but sometimes we need to know the truth because to the some circumstances.
Is lying is common in your country?
Yes, lying is common in country, but common in country due to some facts, but it is not good for the lie to all.
Do politicians have to lie?
Yes, most of the time politicians have lies to the people, to the improvement of improvement of our cities and all things.
Why do some people feel comfortable to tell the truth to stranger rather than friend?
As said earlier, just to tell a truth to some liar to a stranger, because we don't know about the strangers how they react, but we understand our feelings with families and friends.